Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this particular video clip, we will discuss one question from December 2014 paper. This was asked in first question, which is compulsory. The question was, convert the given circuit into a single current source in parallel with a single resistance between points A and B. Now, this is a simple question which is based on source transformation. We have to find out the final circuit in the form of current source and a single resistance, and both must be connected in parallel. Right now you can see in the circuit we are given a voltage source in series with a resistance. Whenever you have a voltage source in series with resistance, you can always perform source transformation. So let's start from there. Solution. So we will apply the source transformation first on 10 volts and 5 ohm pair that is in series. And the moment I do that, I will have a current source and a resistance in parallel. The resistance value doesn't change in source transformation, so we are going to connect the same resistance of 5 ohms, and this current source value will be 10 by 5, that is going to be equal to 2 amperes. Now once again I've got 4 ohm resistance along with 8 volts voltage source. Both of them are in series once again, so I can apply another source transformation. There will be a current source in series in parallel with the resistance, and once again the resistance value will not change, so that will be equal to 4 ohm. Why we are taking the current direction in upward direction? That is because of the polarities given. The positive polarity is on the top and below is the negative polarity. So if this voltage source is going to source any current, it will source that current also in the upward direction, and for that reason, starting from 10 volts battery, the current will flow towards point A. And hence when we replace the voltage source with the current source, we must consider upward current, because that's how it will also flow towards point A. So this is my point A and this is my point B. Similar is the case with 8 volts battery. The positive terminal is on the top, and hence whenever this battery is going to source the current will again flow towards node A, so upward direction of current once again. The current value will be 8 by 4, that is equal to 2 amperes, and 4 ohm is the resistance in parallel. We know that two current sources in parallel can be added, and hence I can add these two current sources because they have the currents flowing in the same direction. So that will become 2 plus 2, 4 ampere current source. Further, two resistors are also in parallel, so I can simply combine them. 5 ohm resistance can be combined with 4 ohm resistance as a parallel combination. So this particular resistance will be nothing but 5 parallel 4, which is equal to 5 into 4 divided by 5 plus 4, and this is going to be 20 divided by 9. That will be 2.22 ohm resistance. So I got my current source of 4 amperes and resistance which is 2.22 ohms between the 2 points which they had mentioned, A and B. So this becomes my final answer. As per the question, we had to get the circuit in the form of a current source and resistance in parallel with the current source. So it was a simple couple of step solution where we basically had to apply source transformation.